Hi again. I'm just hopping back on here to show you how one way that I can style these crystal eggs. I put them in this Pottery Barn Cloche with a rabbit and flowers and lamb's ear. There's a little nest tucked in there. But I put them in here. Again, apologies for the squeaky chair. I think they look cute in here too. Not sure how I'm going to decorate with them, but this is just one idea that I had. What do you think? Should I showcase them just as standalone, or should I cluster them as I have them here? Let me know what you think in the comments. Please share, like, comment, and I'm hoping that you will be enticed enough to subscribe as well. Thank you.